Day 10. Right, so into our little room. I have put a little light in here because it's now incredibly dark. And we have tiles all the way around, which is very satisfying indeed. And particularly in the corners, done some interesting stuff with the sort of mosaic in the corner tile, smaller tile, which is fabulous. Showers in place. It totally appeals to my OCD because everything's central, which is really, really good. And the shower tray, and it's actually pretty big in here. It's quite a big room from such a small space that was doing absolutely nothing. So amazing. Happy about that. And then coming through, God, more goodies arriving. Boxes everywhere of lights and other things. So it's all a complete manic mess in here. Just so much that's arrived. Tile samples for another project. Pretty. And in here, the Great Green Wall of Doom. Right, plaster's kind of halfway through, but we have a plastered ceiling, which looks amazing, and that will get rid of the pipe eventually. And we have a beautiful plastered wall here, and all of that stuff has gone. Tomorrow that wall will be, the stud wall, the dividing wall will be plastered, and this wall will also be plastered. So it'll look incredibly smart. I'm so glad I didn't bother painting that wall. So that's the wall that the anthracite coloured towel rail is going to go on. So I'm still sort of deliberating what colour I should be painting these things, but we'll get there. And we have a very swanky tumble dryer has arrived, and the tiles have arrived, which are white and really, really sparkly and pretty. And that's pretty much it. So still very much a building site out here, but I'm really grateful for having this space because it's all covered over and the guys love it. So that's really good. Yep, and tomorrow also the concrete floor is going to be filled in here. So I won't actually be able to walk across it or come in. Well, I might be able to come in here, do a quick film, but generally that means they can all crack on with fitting the cabinets and the floor. They've tested all the pipe work and all the plumbing's working. So another week, maybe, and we should be ready to test it all out. And then the minute that that happens, we're going to move on to something else, which is also exciting.